In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how to update data in binary file. We all are aware about this code. This code is used to write data in the file. Okay. Now let's move to the next part. This is the part which will update the particular record in the file. First of all, we will open the record.dat. Okay, in reading mode. In the X, you will ask the user on the basis of which you want to find the record and update the record in the file. Okay, this is the try block, this is the exception. Okay, first of all, we will store the position of file pointer. Okay, this instruction, this statement will store the current position of the file pointer. We all are aware about the tell function. Tell function return the current position of the read and write pointer from the file. Okay, here we will load the record from the file pickle.load, and we have passed the object over here. For the particular record we have three values: roll number, name and address. Okay, L0 is having roll number. We are comparing X and L0. If both are same, this part of the code will get executed. Suppose roll number exists in the file which you want to update, then it will ask the user to enter new name. Okay, because here we are going to update the name. After that, we will insert that name in the list in the index 1. Okay, after that we will move the pointer, file pointer. We all know about the seek function. Seek function is used to move the position of the file pointer. Now here we will pass two things to the seek function. First is the offset and second value is from what. Okay, now the position of the record which we are reading currently is stored in the POS using tell function. Okay, we will pass that POS to the seek function, and 0 means from the beginning of the file to this position. Okay, move the file pointer from the beginning of the file to this position which POS is having. After reaching at that point, we will dump or write the record in that position. Okay, we will pass L, it means list. Okay, which is having updated value now. Okay, and the file handle. After that, the message will be printed in the screen. Now here is the variable whose starting value is 0. If this code will get executed, its value will be changed. Okay, after that file will be closed. If the record is existing in the file, this code will not run. If the record is not existing in the file, this code will run. Okay, file does not exist in the file. Okay, in that case this part of the code will not get executed because X does not match with L0 value. Okay, which we are looking in the file. Okay, after that we will read the record from the file and we will print all the record from the file again. Now let's run this program and check the output. Okay, press yes. Press Y, enter roll number. Press Y, enter roll number, now we have entered 4 record in our file. Okay, now we want to update the record whose roll number is 3. Okay, now it is asking us enter roll number whose record you want to update. Press 3 and it will ask you enter new name. Okay, now it is the new name of the student, or it is a change, it is the updated name of the student. Now here we can see our record is updated. Earlier its name was Karthik and here its name is changed now. Okay, we can see roll number 3 name is changed now from Karthik to Lokesh. Okay, so this was all about the how to update record in binary file.